Christmas has come and gone, and no doubt some of you either received or maybe bought your kids a drone. You know, they can cost anywhere from those little ones, about $10 to tens of thousands of dollars. And I've played with a few of them, but when someone invited us to go out and fly with their club, I found out I knew nothing about it. So that's what we're doing on this week's Texas Outdoors.
I love flight. I love defying gravity. I love being up there. I love seeing things in the sky. I just don't want to be in the sky. I like being safe.
Hard to believe a retired Air Force man would say such a thing.
I smile every time I come out and fly.
But Darren Mason admits he wants no part of leaving the ground.
I'm scared of heights, so this is my way of experienced flight, and I can't die from looking at the screens.
Technology has taken the hobby of flying model planes and drones to a whole new level. These drones can do more than 100 miles per hour. There are even drone racing leagues. Thanks to advancements in camera technology, drones give flyers a whole new view of things.
It has GPS, a compass, a barometer, so it knows where in space, its altitude, its height, its coordinates, it knows all that good stuff.
Even though they are restricted by the FAA to an altitude of 400 feet and strictly line of sight, these consumer drones can fly as far as 7 miles and, if need be, find their own way back.
Checking our ailerons, we check our rudder, we check our elevator, and we check our throttle. Once you hear that beep and initialize, it's good to go.
Model planes have changed as well. Lighter, stronger materials make them a lot easier to fly.
Left stick only. Push up.
So with all this technology
Let off.
and a little instruction,
I didn't crash.
the guys let me try my hand at flying a drone.
Take the left stick and yaw it in that direction.
The left stick.
Well, no, you're going up. Move it to the right.
It would have helped if I'd known what yaw meant.
Stop.
But once in the air, it was pretty easy. This drone, which cost about $1,400, almost flew itself. I flew it around for a little bit just to see how it felt, and then decided I didn't want to take too many chances.
I will land this bad boy right on that white piece of paper. You ready for this?
You gotta give it a shot.
Oh, no, I'm not going to give it a shot. I'm going to do it.
There you go.
You've done that before. You've done that before.
I'm a natural. It's like I know what I'm doing.
I had no idea what I was doing, but it was a lot of fun. It was so much fun. I bought my father one of those model planes for Christmas. He used to fly. So if you want to get in touch with the group, they have a Facebook page called San Antonio Drones. We're going to put a link to it on this story on KENS5.com. We're always looking for something to do outside, especially, you know, things that are kind of out of the norm. Email me if you have an idea, bdavis@KENS5.com, or just hit me up on the KENS5 Facebook page and go on an adventure with us into the great Texas outdoors.
I love that because that was a way to take technology outdoors. And
Right.
I've never seen you do that.
I'll tell you what, watching the video of the one that it did 112 mile an hour, the one that was flipping, you know, it kind of made you dizzy while you were. And then they have these goggles that you can put on and you see what the drone sees.
It's like VR.
Well, only
Virtual
it's
reality.
real. I mean, it's not virtual reality. It is reality what that camera is seeing. They do drone racing leagues, and I mean, it's amazing.
That's
It's all
pretty cool.
amazing.
Now, there are requirements, like you can only fly it so high, right?
400 feet, the altitude, 400 feet,
Right.
and you can fly it as far as you can see, and it'll, you know, then you can come back.
Okay,
And of
visibility
course-
less than 400 feet.
Yeah, and you
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
go into the obvious airspace around the airport or anything like that. but-
Because they will go. I mean,
Oh, yeah, easily.
Yeah.
I heard stories. There's, it was like a while back. It was a private property owner. They shot the drone because it was over private property.
So
they
their
can do
airspace-
that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Makes
I
sense.
guess. Well, as long as you're not in town.
So no winds are going to be taking your drones out today, or
When's it gonna